TEARSHEET's Power Posting is all about empowering you and how to use your smartphone to create stronger, better imagery that your clients see in advertisements and fashion photo shoots every day. I'm Giovanni Giuntoli, TEARSHEET artist, and I wanted to invite you to Power Posting, the newest workshop to our lineup, our specialty workshop. It'll help you understand how we, the professionals, create the imagery that your clients are bringing in as inspiration and they're seeing in advertisements every day. They will definitely notice a difference in your social media after attending this workshop. Work alongside photographer and hairstylist to help you learn the tips and tricks and how to be able to create better imagery and stronger imagery, but also how to harness the technology in the phone that you're holding in your hand, maybe even watching this video, and having your phone help you create stronger, more impactful imagery. Check out more at yourtearsheets.com/workshops. Find us on Facebook at TEARSHEET and Giovanni Giuntoli, and Instagram at TEARSHEETs. And I and the TEARSHEET team are looking forward to helping you with your reservation and answering any questions that you may have about Power Posting. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in Power Posting this year.